Hi, I'm Thomas and I'm going to show you now how to connect the mains input of the PowerWave. PowerWave, our electronic power source up to 250 kVA of power for electric vehicle testing and other applications. So as you can see, this is the back side of the PowerWave. In the second cabinet from the left, in the bottom, this is the mains input connection panel. So the first thing you have to do is to remove all the Phillips screws here with a Phillips screwdriver. I removed already the other ones. I'm just going to remove the last ones here. So then take off the metal cover here. See here the safety warnings, so make sure you're going to read the safety manual and instruction manual. So take off here the back panel. Now we have already connected it. So as you can see, we have the input cables here. So just make sure before you do anything on the back side here, just disconnect the mains input. Very important. Disconnect it, open the circuit breakers, make sure that no one can reconnect it before you do any installation on the mains. Okay, so as you can see, we've already connected here the cable. First, what you would have to do is to connect the earth cables, or the protective earth cables, which is on this connector here. We have prepared two bolts here, so you can use either or both. It's up to you. So the input power actually of the device is max close to 300 kVA input power it requires. This one is a 3 times 400 volt unit, but actually we also have units available for 480 volt for the US, for example. It's 50-60 Hertz and it has a maximum of 475 amps, 475 amps per line input power. So as you can see from the back, so these are the fuses, the input fuses. So we place them directly at the input cabinet. And I'm just going to show you how you would disconnect or connect this input cable here. So the first thing you have to do is you have to open the cover. So just like push up here a bit and then you can like fold it down. And now the inner part here, that's the fuse. That's quite a massive 630 amps fuse. So to remove it, there are like special fuse remover tools, but I'm just going to use it just to clamp here. So I'm going to like hold it here, pull it a bit on the bottom part, pull it up, and like that. And here goes, that's the fuse. So to get access to the bolt here where I can connect the mains input, I need to remove this one, so the plastic cover. Takes a little bit of effort to do it. And here we go. So now we have the access to this connection bolt. So I'm gonna just use here like a safety wrench to open it. So please read also the instruction manual. There also the diameter of the screws, recommended diameter of the connection cables, everything is written. So here we go. I've opened it now, I'm going to reconnect it. So cable. And the nut. So use the wrench. Like that. Then don't forget to put back the fuse cover here. So, oh, wrong way. So just make sure that like this side is down because it leaves space for the cables. So like that. Then put back the fuse in. And close the cover. Do the same thing for the other main supplies and close the cover. So as you can see, it's not a big job to do that. Just please make sure, follow all the safety rules, follow the local safety rules and electrical installation rules. Don't do it on your own if you're not allowed to do it. And as I said, please read the safety instruction manual and the user manuals to get more details about the diameter of the recommended cable diameters. Thanks, and hope to see you in another video about where we check out the output connector as well as the rest of the connection cables. Thanks.